Hello and welcome to Lifecycle Personal Finance. I'm Tommy Wong and I'm here to teach you how to master your money, how to save it, how to invest it, and how to spend it. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a few topics. First is, why are we bad with money? The second is, how pre-installed beliefs affect our financial decisions. And the third is, why mastering money has everything to do with making choices. You've probably seen on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, people dining out, traveling, buying luxurious goods. You probably wondered, how can they afford to do this? Well, the truth is that these people are probably spending money that they shouldn't be spending, or they might be going to debt in order to do so. You probably heard about these financial independence people who seek to retire by 30 or 40 years old. You're probably wondering, how are they doing this too? And these people are saving so much money that they're making, frankly, suboptimal financial decisions. Very few of us are good with money. I remember back in the 2000s, I first bought my first laptop, and it came pre-installed with a bunch of software, like Napster or Netscape, a free trial to AOL, as well as an antivirus software. And frankly, it was just bloat. It was just slowing my computer down, and I didn't need any of this stuff. And if I wanted my laptop to work the way I wanted it to work, then I needed to uninstall that software and upgrade to better software. And money is a lot like this too. We come into adulthood with pre-installed beliefs about money that come from our childhood because we emulate the financial behaviors of adults that we see. If you had parents who bought you everything when you were a child, you probably associate money with love and happiness. If you had parents who stressed over money or fought over money, you probably associate money with stress too. And our pre-installed beliefs often come out with us acting negatively. For example, someone who has parents who bought them everything might associate money with love and happiness. And as adults or as parents, we might buy gifts for our children using a credit card. Or we might have a hard time saying no to the people we love because we associate no with not loving them. And in fact, two people who have the same beliefs about money can act on them very differently. Let's say you have a pair of twins, and they had parents who struggled with money growing up. Well, one twin can emulate their parents' behaviors. They can grow up having a hard time paying for bills. And the other twin can end up hoarding all their money or trying to save as much money as possible because they're trying to avoid being in the parent's situation again. And you know what? Neither of these twins are better with money than the other. I was bad with money too after I finished college. My parents had a business that failed, and I believed that if I wanted a financially stable life, then I needed a stable job. And what job is more stable than a government job? And when I was in my 20s, I just tried saving as much money as possible. But frankly, I wasn't really living my 20s. I was letting a lot of opportunity costs happen. I didn't master money until I met my wife. I realized that if we wanted our marriage to succeed financially, then we need to think about money differently. We couldn't just save all the money that we had to spend it on high priority values that we loved, as well as saving money for later on. How have your pre-installed beliefs with money affected your financial decisions? Please leave a comment below. In order to master your money, you need to get past your pre-installed beliefs. It's time to get rid of that old bloated software and install new and better software. It's time to upgrade yourself. What I hope you get out of this channel is that money is about making choices. It's making the choice to spend $1 today versus tomorrow. It's about putting your money toward your high value priorities that you love. Very few people understand this, but now that you watch this video, you're part of the exclusive club that do. And I've heard a lot of people say that they're bad with money because they didn't understand math when they were in school. If you know how to do addition and subtraction, if you know how to use a calculator, you have all the baseline tools that you need to master your money. And honestly, math isn't going to teach you how to be good with money. It is going to help you make choices. It's not going to help you get past emotions and making financial decisions. And if you feel intimidated because you don't know the terminology behind finances, like what a Roth IRA is or what an annual percentage rate is, don't worry, it's okay. I'm going to teach you over this guide. But let me be clear, no amount of terminology will teach you how to master your money, and no amount of income will help you get over the emotions of making financial decisions. Mastering money is a practice in self-reflection, prioritization, and balance. And these are things that anybody can do. So it's not your fault that you're bad with money. We're just not taught how to think about money in this way. And in fact, you still have a choice. You still have a choice to master your money in order to be where you are today to where you want to be in the future. Do you want to upgrade your beliefs about money? If so, please like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and ring the bell. Cheers.
And now a word from our sponsor.